In this video, I'll show you an opening range breakout setup with the volatility edge. This is in Chevron, short setup, 2 different times on our scanner. Both times the entry is 151.09. Now 151.09 overlaps nicely with our stock volatility box models. These are the hourly models, which tells us we have a volatility edge as well for the short side. I'm going to adjust my target here. I already have an entry. This is an automated entry that got me in. But the overall setup I want to walk you through in this video. So first off, let me walk you through the ORB setup. The ORB setup is quite simple. It started with a positive 15-minute back test, positive stats across the board, and in this good back test, we're also getting a pullback now to 151.09, the half range level. This, if you look on a 5-minute chart, also starts to give you this sense of exhaustion, overlapping candles, and I like this overall setup for the short side. Volatility box breach, ORB setup with positive backtest stats, to me is a good combination. Now let's see what happens. I'll pause the video and resume based on what ends up happening at the end of the day. All right, we're getting close to the tail end of the day. I'll probably move my stop to 150.80. Right now it's at break even, but hopefully we hit the target here. Let's quickly recap while we wait. We had the opening range breakout setup trigger. We used the pullback setup to skew the risk to reward, and we combined that with the volatility box models to get a much better entry where we had a volatility edge. This trade was relatively heat-free. There we go. We just hit the target, and hopefully gives you an example of how to combine the morning opening range breakout, the momentum we see, with the pullback setup and the volatility box models. Take care, everyone. Good luck trading. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email. I'll see you in our next update.